No! No! Get away!
What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Pocket Watch. I'm Dalton.
I'm Jenna.
Vitaly. And we have a very special guest today, Jordan, aka CaptainSparklez. Hi there. And today we are playing Bendy and the Ink Machine in real life. Oh, that's right.
That's gonna be so cool.
It's gonna be Jetta and me versus you and you. And we have some people helping us out. We're gonna have ink monsters. Yeah! Eddie and Isabella are gonna be our ink monsters, and guess what else? We have a real life Bendy. As Bendy, Rachel! Basically, we have 4 items that we all have to find. They've been hidden throughout the studio. We have to find them and return them to the podium before we get caught by this guy over here. It's gonna be fun, and it's gonna be terrifying. So let's do it, come on! Woo! Yeah!
Okay. Toilet stuff, what the heck? Yes! What item? Got this item. Oh, dude, I am crushing this game. I am definitely gonna win.
Sweet! That's one less thing that I have to get myself.
Oh, dude, this is such a sick ink machine. Okay, can't fix that. X. Wait, what was that? What the heck? Ah! Okay. Okay, look out. This is so cool in here. Where's the stuff? Oh, is this something? Ah! This Bendy! Okay. Ah!
Dude, man up, what are you doing?
We got an X. What the heck? We got a whole pentagram over here. Whoa! Okay. Let's find. Oh,
Keep it going, Vitaly.
need X. Oh God. Oh, let's get in here.
Oh, that's not good.
Oh,
God.
Okay, they're better.
Jeez, what is that?
What the heck? There's like a movie going on in here. Oh, record! This has to be the record. No! Wait! Oh man! Okay, I've lost my axe, but it's fine because I'm in this room. Okay, I better get back in here. Oh, fire extinguisher! Was that one of the items? I should take it just in case.
Get out of there.
No!
They're gonna
No!
get you. Come on, survive. Can you get away from them so that I have
this.
less things I
That's
have
for
to do
you,
on my
Bendy.
end?
Oh! I'm being trapped! No! Oh no! Yes! Made it out of there alive! Okay. What the heck? I need a wrench. Where is the wrench? Wrench! That definitely looks like something. That looks like something.
Vitaly.
Ah!
No, dude, come on. You had to win. Now I have to do something.
Whoa! That was so cool. I got the cog, I got an axe, I chopped in the door like in Bendy and the Ink Machine. I enjoyed that. Then I got the record. I did not find the wrench, and I did not find the inkwell. All Jordan has to find is the inkwell, and he has to find the wrench.
Okay, so let's go left when I enter the maze, pick up the items, and then go straight to the podium. I've got 1 minute on the clock, probably shouldn't close that. All right, okay, here we go, record. Cog, and it's supposed to go over here to the corner, to the kitchen. And okay, here we go. Got it, boom. All right, so we're looking for an inkwell and a wrench.
Oh, I feel bad for him.
Can't see anything.
Oh, he's in trouble. He doesn't have an axe.
Ah, shoot.
Okay, I'm going to check the bathrooms. Nope, nothing in there. I shouldn't do that. Should I do it? Is this nothing in there of worth? Going to the going to the maze. That's scary. Oh, look out. Good. The will. What? Oh my! Jeez Louise! Scary. Is this? Oh!
Yes.
Okay, one of the items. Oh, yeah. Do you do stuff? Nope. Find the X. Find the X. Is there stuff in there? I don't know. I don't know where stuff is. Oh, I am very afraid. Stuff in here?
Okay, good. Okay. All right, well now we have some way to defend ourselves. That's good.
Oh my!
That is creepy. Wow. Go away!
away!
Leave her alone!
Scary!
Oh, what is
Scary
that?
guy! Wow! Okay, that's my new least favorite sound in the world.
Run! No, the other way. Well, I guess that means that I'm up.
Look in the lockers. Look in the lockers. Ah, good job.
Breaking it.
No, Dalton, please go fast. I hate them so much. Hide under something. You're a big man. I understand why that would be hard.
Okay, so both teams found 2 items each. That's a tie.
Yeah, I suppose we should bring Jen and Dalton in here. We can figure out what to do. And I think so. It'll be first person to find an item, return it to the podium, sudden death.
Sudden death round?
One item.
One item.
Are we
get it
at
to
the
the
same
podium.
time? Or
Ooh. Same.
Oh! One ring to rule them all.
Now, should we be able to tackle the other person if we see them with an item and they're on the way?
Absolutely. I think we're allowed to do that.
Absolutely.
Go, 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 go.
walking with speed, walking with so much speed. Please, 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 something I can use for the love of. Oh my God! I got it!
All right. Yes.
let her win.
No, but
I won
she
something.
crushed it.
Thank
crushed
you.
it. She killed it.
Jenna killed it.
It's over.
Yeah.
It has been awesome to have Jordan, aka CaptainSparklez, here. We're gonna put a link to his channel down below. It's hilarious, so please go check it out.
He's way better at gaming than we are.
Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Pocket Watch with Jordan, CaptainSparklez. Hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, leave us a comment and let us know that you like this video and if you want us to do any other games in real life. And we'll see you next time on Pocket Watch.
Bye.